Hi everyone, here we've got HTC Desire 21 Pro, and let me share with you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's find the security option. As you can see, on the second position in the device security section we've got fingerprint, so let's tap on it, and here this is the very first step of adding the fingerprint. Here we have to choose an additional screen lock. We can choose the pattern pin or password, and it is very important to remember it, because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device without going through the hard reset operation. So remember actually the screen lock and just pick the one you like the most. I will pick the pattern. So here we have to draw it, tap on next, redraw it and confirm. Here you can decide how do you want the lock screen to display, so you can show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. So I will pick, for example, to don't show notifications at all. All you have to do is simply make sure that the option you'd like to use is marked, like here. So if you're ready, just tap on done. And here we've got the info that you will be able to unlock your device with the fingerprint, or authorize the purchases, or sign into apps. So let's tap on next simply. And right now we have to touch the sensor, which is located right here on the side of our device on the power button. So let me put my finger on it, and right now we will feel the vibration, and we have to put our finger on the sensor multiple times in order to add it fully, and try to catch every corner for better recognition. Okay, and as you can see, we just added our fingerprint successfully, so let's tap on done. And here we've got our fingerprint we just added. We can remove it by tapping on the trash bin icon, or tap on it and rename it, which is quite a cool option if you've got a lot of fingerprints added. So let me rename it and tap on OK, and as you can see, it immediately changes. So actually this is the whole customization of the fingerprint. So let's check if it is working actually. So let's lock our device and let me put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, it works because the device is unblocked. What's more, you will be able to unlock it with the screen lock you just set before adding your fingerprint. So you will be able to unlock it with the pattern. So actually that's all. This is how to add a fingerprint in your HTC Desire 21 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.